Is the ponytail popping? Because girl, I can't even tell. I've been running around all day, probably have Jeep hair, so sorry about that. But I really wanted to bring you dolls this fun spring shoe haul. I partnered with my friends over at ShoeDazzle to share my favorite picks. Let's just talk about this packaging for a second. Here for this. So I have 5 pairs of shoes that I picked out myself from my showroom. Before I start with today's haul, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. Click the bell next to it so you dolls never miss a post, and you can join the doll gang. So let's just talk about what ShoeDazzle is, because it's something new to me. I've ordered a couple of pairs from them before, and let me tell you, their heel height is really tall, really tall. So I love reading the descriptions because I know for a fact I cannot be prancing around these streets in like a 4.5 inch heel. Can't do it, that's just too tall for me. So everything here is probably about 4.25 inches of height for all the heels. So if you're like me and you're trying to get into heels, make sure you read the description, because sometimes you just can't be walking around like that. But they have so many styles on the website. I was just browsing for at least an hour trying to figure out what it was that I wanted to order for my spring wardrobe. So what's cool about it is you can take a style quiz on the website, and it basically puts together a personalized showroom with all of those picks that suit your style the best. And you could shop through that list, and you could also just shop in general on the website if you don't want to shop through your showroom. So this way you get more of like a custom selection, like a personalized stylist helping you out. So I love that. I love that you could do that, but you can also shop whatever you want by just browsing the different categories of shoes and clothes that they have on the website. It's an overall really fun shopping experience. You can skip a month if you don't want to, you know, order something, or you can just shop whenever you choose. It really is up to you. But I do have a link in the down bar, which they were so nice enough to provide you guys with, is a buy one, get one free. Buy one, get one free. So hit up the down bar so you guys can take advantage of that awesome steal. I do live in Southern California, so it's interesting. It gets like hot during the day but chilly at night, so we can get away with wearing, you know, ankle booties and thigh highs all year round. Like, boots are just my vibe. So I saw these on the website. They do cater to tons of different sizes, wide feet. So this is actually a 9 wide, and I realized my feet aren't that wide. I thought I always had wide feet, but these are a little bit roomy, so I can get away with wearing a thicker sock with them, because these are absolutely everything. They're like a nice textured glitter. Look at this heel height. This is like 4.25 inch. That's as tall as I can do. Okay, that's about it. Anything else is a hot mess for me to walk in. But if you are really good at walking in heels, they have lots of options for you, lots of flats, just such a good variation of styles. But I love a good ankle booty. For me, this is like my go-to when it comes to a night out. So I'll show you guys both of those. These are just so fun. I feel like it'll jazz up any outfit, and I can wear them with all my cargo pants, but it is a nice balance between girly and sporty, because I feel like I'm a very sporty person when it comes down to my style. So I got these, which will be so fun to play around with like mini skirts and all of that. The next pair of shoes that I ordered from my showroom are these booties. You guys know I just live for my little booties, and these are cool because they have like this knitted look to them. I think they're described as being a sock boot. Those are literally everywhere. So they come in this really pretty blush color. Again, a nice little slim heel to them and a pointed toe. I love pointed toe shoes because they really elongate your legs and just make everything flow seamlessly. They make you look so much taller than what you actually are. So that's nice. And they're always adding new styles to the website every single month. So you can go back the next month and you'll see so many different things that you didn't see the month before. So these are the mauve booties. These I believe I also got in a 9 wide. So next month when I order some shoes, I'm gonna stick to just my normal 9. On to the next box we have, okay. You guys know me. If you know, you know. I live for thigh-high boots. Look, if you know me, you know that your girl lives for thigh-high boots, okay? Thigh-high boots are my essential staple if I don't know what I'm gonna wear for literally any occasion. Thigh-high boots and an oversized t-shirt or a sweatshirt. That's it. That's my vibe. That's my look. Works for literally everything. You get the comfort of the oversized t-shirt or hoodie with the sexiness of a thigh-high boot. So when I saw these, oh my god, like I checked out real freaking quick before they were sold out. These are probably my favorite. Like, I'm literally so excited. These are my favorite item. I don't even know what color. I want to say these are black, but they have like a snake print, faux snake print texture to them, if you could see up close. But they have a really nice sheen to them. These, oh my god, the fit is amazing. There's a zipper here to get into them, and of course the heel height is under 4.5 inches, which when I saw that, even better for me. So these are great. They have a nice pointed toe. Like I said earlier, pointed toe shoes make your legs look even longer. And the issue for me when it comes down to finding the perfect thigh-high boot is the fit around the thigh area. A lot of the times, because my legs are very muscular, I do leg day like literally every day. So finding the perfect fit where there's not a sort of like a adjustable tie or anything is really difficult for me. But these stay up on my legs, you guys. I don't have to adjust them every 2 seconds. Like, it just looks so good. So once I break them in and this kind of you know, loosens up a little bit, your girl's gonna be strutting around these streets every single day wearing these boots because they are to die for. Literally, I can't. Obsessed. I'm about to be wearing these every day in my sleep. Like, these are the sexiest boots. Probably my favorite pair of shoe that I own in my wardrobe to date. So get you some thigh-high boots. I know it's springtime, but it gets cold here in the evening. So this for me is just like a staple. A staple. So thank you to ShoeDazzle for making all of my dreams come true with this shoe. This next pair of shoes is a sandal, so it's more appropriate for those hot days. I feel like this is definitely a daytime shoe. I would not be, you know, wearing this out to the club or to the bar. It's definitely more on the casual side for like day events, running errands, grabbing a quick little coffee. So I'll show you guys which ones these are. These are so cute. So these are just a flat sandal. There is a little bit of a heel on it, so, but it's not much. So if you have flat feet, you know. Look how cute these are. So it's a clear shoe, like the band is clear. So really you can wear this with literally anything, and it's like a mixed metals vibe. It has bedazzledness all over it. The silver, and then it's piped with gold. So you can really mix and match this with anything. If you like to mix metals, this is definitely a perfect shoe for you. It's flat, you know, it's comfortable. It's gonna go with literally anything. Jeans and a bodysuit. You can rock this with maxi dresses, maxi skirts, summery stuff. If you're going out for drinks, brunch, whatever, you get the drill. I just feel like this is a good daytime shoe. But again, I would not be wearing this out to the club. I got other shoes in this haul for that, but I thought this would be a good option for those more casual days. So definitely check these out if you're looking for a flat sandal. They have tons on the website, lots of gladiator styles, which I really like. I should get more sandals next time. But really when I'm shopping for clothes, I shop for nighttime, evening wear, event stuff, because during the day I'm literally in workout clothes all of the time, and I'm just super casual with my daytime looks, and I just don't feel a need to dress up during the day. I'll say that for the nighttime. Am I the only one? I don't know. That's just me. That's just me. This last pair of shoes that I ordered are booties. What's new with your girl? What's new? I don't know about you, but I don't really like open toe boots. I don't like open toe shoes at all, actually, like when it comes to like a nighttime shoe. So I just prefer a regular schmegular ankle bootie. This is made for your girl. Let me tell you why. So it's a very structured ankle bootie. I have a pair of shoes in my wardrobe now kind of similar to this, except they're sock boots, so there's not much structure to them. This has all the structure that I need. It has gold hardware as well, but the heel height is so comfortable. It looks like a stiletto, so it looks very sexy and sleek, but guess what? It's about 1 inch in width, so you get more support, more stability when you're walking, and you can wear these shoes a lot longer than a traditional stiletto shoe. So this is going to be an essential in my wardrobe, as ankle booties are. I wear them all the time if you guys check out my Instagram, so I'll just be adding this to the list of things to tag on my post, because I know it's going to be a go-to for me. And again, the heel height is not too tall, but it's just tall enough. So let me know down below, like, how the heck did you get used to wearing super tall heels? Because I'm trying to learn over here. I'm really trying. I really am. but it's hard, it's a struggle. That's it, you guys. That is my springtime shoe haul brought to you dolls by ShoeDazzle. Don't forget to check out the description box for the link. Buy one, get one free. Don't be sleeping on that. Get you some shoes for this spring and summer. They have literally so many options. So have fun browsing and let me know in the comment section below what pair did you guys like the most? Because I'm stuck between the black booties and then the thigh-high boots because I just... If you guys like this video and you want to see more hauls from me, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it so you never miss a post. And I will catch you dolls in my next video very soon. Bye!